How to turn off active status on Tinder. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can turn off active status on Tinder. To do so, first of all, you will need to open your Tinder application on your mobile device and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are logged into your account, now here tap on the profile icon at the bottom right. By doing so, you will be taken to this page. Here at the top right, you will be able to locate the gear or the settings icon. Simply tap on the settings icon, and once you reach to this page, here you will need to scroll down until you find active status section. Once you find this active status option, you will need to tap on the settings option. Once tapping on it, now here you will be able to locate show active status option. At the right side, you'll be able to see the toggle button, which is currently turned on, which means your active status is turned on. Now to turn it off, simply tap on the toggle button at the right side and this will turn off the active status. Also, if you want to turn off recently active status, then you can tap on the toggle button at the right side of the second option to turn it off. Now once doing that, you have successfully turned off active status on Tinder. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.